Hey everyone, have you ever thought about making money online just by watching and sharing YouTube videos? It sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? What's up guys, this is Max Wealth with my AI assistant Pixel by my side, welcoming you back to the channel. We are back with the latest money-making secrets. But first, if you are new here, you have come to the right place. Get ready to buckle up your seatbelt because we're about to unlock the next groundbreaking money-making strategy. Today, I'm going to show you a method that could potentially turn your video watching habit into a money-making venture. And if you stick around until the end, I'll share a game-changing tip that could significantly increase your success with this strategy. So, make sure you watch through to the very end. Let's dive right in. The idea here is pretty straightforward. You find trending YouTube videos, create engaging content around these videos, and then use a link shortening service that pays you for clicks to monetize your efforts. But why does this matter? In a world where earning extra income online is becoming more and more appealing, this method offers a unique opportunity to leverage the massive audience of YouTube for your financial benefit. First things first, you need to find videos that are currently trending. This is where tools like vidIQ come into play. It's a free tool that helps you identify trending content on YouTube easily. The key here is to select videos that align with your interest or niche. This will make the entire process more enjoyable and sustainable for you in the long run. Now, once you've found a trending video, it's time to get creative. Using Canva, a user-friendly graphic design tool, you can create engaging thumbnails and images. Remember, your goal is to attract viewers with your designs, so think about what would make you click on an image. Keep it simple but eye-catching. Alright, let's talk about making money. ShrinkMe.io is a URL shortening service that pays you for clicks. It's going to be an essential tool in this method. Hey, if this video has been useful to you, please take a moment to share it. I've poured endless hours into bringing these strategies for you. If it takes 15 seconds to click on this and send it to a friend or share it on your socials, it would mean the world to me, and might even mean the world to someone else. Here's what you do next. Use Pinterest to distribute your content. Create a new pin and upload your Canva design. Write an engaging title and description for your pin. This is where you capture people's interest and drive them to click. Shorten the YouTube video link with ShrinkMe.io and embed this link in your Pinterest pin. The idea is that the more intriguing your content is on Pinterest, the more clicks you'll generate and the more you'll earn. To maximize your success on Pinterest, focus on crafting titles and descriptions that tell a story or pose a question that's hard to ignore. Be genuine and authentic. People can tell when you're passionate about something, and this authenticity can dramatically increase your click-through rate. After trying this method myself, I found that the earning potential can start off quite small. I made just a cent after a few days. It's important to have realistic expectations and to understand that significant income might require a lot of time and effort. Also, consider the ethical side of using clickbait tactics. Always strive to provide value and maintain integrity in your online presence. Unlock your full earning potential with our free app. It's your roadmap to wealth, filled with exclusive tips and complete step-by-step master guides to get you earning online. Download now, Android and iOS links in the description. And now, for the tip I promised at the beginning. To really make this work, don't spread yourself too thin. Instead, focus on a specific niche or interest. This focus can lead to more authentic and engaging content, which, in turn, can lead to better results. Remember, it's not just about the clicks. It's about building a community of engaged viewers. To sum up, making money by watching and sharing YouTube videos can be a unique way to earn some extra cash, but it's not without its challenges. Remember to focus on content quality, be patient, and stay true to your interests. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Got questions or need clarification? Your curiosity drives our mission. Leave your questions in the comments below, and I'll help steer you towards success. Let's tackle these challenges together and unlock new levels of online earnings. I hope that this information has helped you in some way. Remember, to take action, that is what will bring you closer to financial independence. It took hours of hard work to bring this content to you for free. If it takes 5 seconds to hit the like button or share it with a friend, it would absolutely mean the world to me and Pixel, and might even mean the world to someone else. And don't forget to watch the rest of the videos on our channel to find the online money-making method that works best for you. Take care, friends. Until next time, we are out. Peace.